top 10 most powerful manga and anime characters. Yo, kya haal hai bros? It's ya boy, your name here, back with another video. And this time हम जानेंगे मांगा और एनिमे की दुनिया के बारे में। हम बात कर रहे हैं उन कैरेक्टर्स की जो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, दोस टाइटन्स, ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स जो शायद एक प्लैनेट को भी उठा सकते हैं। Get ready for some epic battles, insane powers, and maybe, just maybe, a little bit of screaming. Legendary warriors से लेकर godlike beings तक, चलिए डाइव करते हैं इस दुनिया में जो extraordinary power और indomitable spirit से भरी हुई है। Ready? Let's begin. Alright bros, kicking off our list at number 10, हमारे पास एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो बेसिकली बैडएस की डेफिनेशन है। मैं बात कर रहा हूं गट्स फ्रॉम बर्जर्क की। This guy is the epitome of strength and resilience. यार, इस बंदे ने बहुत कुछ देखा है। His past is filled with pain and suffering. Seriously, Berserk is dark, but Guts, he's darker. His journey is a relentless battle against fate. यह बंदा एक ऐसी sword यूज करता है जो बेसिकली आयरन का एक बहुत बड़ा स्लैब है और वह इसे ऐसे घुमाता है जैसे कुछ भी नहीं है। It's like an extension of his own body. Demons, monsters, आप कुछ भी कह लो, Guts ने शायद उसे मार दिया होगा। His combat skills are unmatched. He's basically a one-man army fueled by pure, unadulterated rage. His anger drives him forward. लेकिन हाँ, giant sword और उसके गुस्से वाले चेहरे से मूर्ख मत बनो। There's more to him than just rage. Deep down, Guts बस उन लोगों की रक्षा करना चाहता है जिनकी वह परवाह करता है। His loyalty to his friends is unwavering. Coming in at number 9 is the ultimate symbol of hope and justice, All Might from My Hero Academia. यह बंदा anime world का Superman जैसा है, but with even more muscles and a way cooler costume. All Might's quirk, one for all, उसे power देता है, well, बहुत कुछ करने का। वह इतनी जोर से पंच मार सकता है कि वेदर बदल जाए। स्पीड ऑफ साउंड से भी तेज मूव कर सकता है। एंड ही कैन टेक अ बीटिंग लाइक अ चैंप। लेकिन ऑल माइट को जो चीज ट्रूली स्पेशल बनाती है वह है जस्टिस में उसकी अटूट बिलीफ और दूसरों को इंस्पायर करने की उसकी चाह। साथ ही उसके पास एनिमे हिस्ट्री का सबसे अच्छा कैच फ्रेज है, आई एम हियर। सीरियसली, chills every time. Ahoy there, mateys! Get ready to set sail on an adventure like no other. At number 8, we've got the one and only Monkey D. Luffy, the rubber-bodied captain of the Straw Hat Pirates from One Piece. This fearless leader dreams of becoming the Pirate King and will stop at nothing to achieve his goal. इस बंदे में energy तो इतनी है जितनी एक barrel monkeys में होती है sugar खाने के बाद, and he's got the power to back it up. His boundless enthusiasm and never give up attitude make him a force to be reckoned with. Luffy's gum fruit powers पहले तो थोड़े silly लग सकते हैं, but trust me, ये बंदा अपने शरीर को ऐसे stretch और contort कर सकता है कि Mr. Fantastic भी jealous हो जाए. His unique abilities give him an edge in battles that few can match. उसके पास हर occasion के लिए एक move है, from the gum pistol to the gum Gatling gun. Whether he's facing off against powerful foes or protecting his friends, Luffy always has a trick up his sleeve. वह एक ऐसा कैप्टन है जो अपने क्रू को निराश करने की बजाय मरना पसंद करेगा. And that's what makes him such a powerful and inspiring character. His loyalty and bravery are unmatched, making him a true hero in every sense of the word. Okay, let's be real. आप जानते थे कि यह बंदा लिस्ट में होगा, कोई सरप्राइज नहीं है ना? Coming in at number 7, it's the one punch man himself, Saitama. इस बंदे के पास एनिमे हिस्ट्री की सबसे ओपी पावर है। वह किसी भी एनिमी को एक ही पंच में हरा सकता है। Imagine having that kind of power where no one can stand against you. Seriously, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप एक giant monster हैं, a super villain हैं और a rogue planet हैं। साइतामा आपको अपने एक ही कैजुअल फिस्ट से हरा देगा। It's almost unfair how effortlessly he can take down his foes. But here's the thing about Saitama. He's bored. Like, really bored. Imagine being so powerful that nothing excites you anymore. जब आप इतने पावरफुल होते हैं कि कोई भी आपके लिए चैलेंज नहीं होता है, तो जिंदगी थोड़ी डल हो जाती है। हर दिन एक जैसा लगता है, कोई थ्रिल नहीं, कोई एक्साइटमेंट नहीं। वह अपने दिन वर्दी ओपोनेंट्स की तलाश में बिताता है, लेकिन कोई भी उससे एक पंच भी सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाता है। It's a never-ending quest for him, always hoping to find someone who can give him a real fight. But even though Saitama थोड़ा apathetic हो सकता है, he's still a good guy at heart. He genuinely cares about people and wants to help them. वह हमेशा help करने के लिए तैयार रहता है, even if it means he won't even break a sweat doing it. His strength is unmatched. So is his kindness and willingness to protect others. Coming in at number 6 is a guy who's got style, power, and a giant sword. It's Ichigo Kurosaki from Bleach. यह orange-haired teenager एक ordinary high school student से Soul Reaper extraordinaire बन गया. And he's got the skills to pay the bills. Ichigo's got it all. Soul Reaper powers, Hollow powers, Quincy powers, आप कुछ भी कह लो, उसके पास शायद होगा. He can fire off energy blasts, summon giant swords, and even transform into different forms to boost his power. लेकिन Ichigo's journey, all sunshine and roses nahi hai. He's constantly pushing his limits, battling inner demons, and facing off against some of the most powerful beings in the Soul Society. Oh, आप जानते हैं कि यह बंदा लिस्ट में होगा. At number 5, it's the one and only Goku from Dragon Ball. This Saiyan warrior practically shonen anime ka poster child hai. And for good reason. He's got the power, the determination, and the spiky hair to back it up. Goku's journey to becoming the strongest warrior in the universe is legendary. He's constantly training, pushing his limits, and facing off against increasingly powerful opponents. And let's not forget about his iconic transformations. From Super Saiyan to Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan. Yeah, it got a little out of hand. Goku's a true inspiration, proving that with enough hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything. Number 4, the God of Shinobi, Madara Uchiha from Naruto Shippuden. Yeh banda basically the ultimate ninja hai, with a mastery of jutsu that would make even the Hokage sweat. Madara's got it all: the Sharingan, the Rinnegan, the Susanoo. Aap kuch bhi keh lo, he's probably got it. He can control gravity, summon giant meteors, and even rewrite reality itself. Plus, he's got that whole bad guy with a tragic backstory thing going on, which always makes for a compelling villain. Madara's battles are legendary, pushing Naruto and Sasuke to their absolute limits. He's a force of nature, a true master of the ninja arts, and a villain who won't soon be forgotten. Prepare yourselves, because at number 3, we've got a vampire who's as stylish as he is deadly. It's Alucard from Hellsing, your ancient vampire practically invincible here, with a thirst for blood and a penchant for dramatic entrances. Alucard's powers are practically limitless. He's got superhuman strength, speed, and durability. He can regenerate from almost any injury, and he can control shadows and manipulate blood. But Alucard's not just a mindless killing machine. He's a complex character with a dark past and a twisted sense of humor. At number 2, we've got a character who's so powerful, he makes even Goku look like a weakling. It's Zeno, the Omni King of the Dragon Ball multiverse. Yeh chota sa banda dekhne mein cute and innocent lag sakta hai, but he's got the power to erase entire universes with a single thought. Zeno's powers are basically godlike. He can create and destroy with a whim, and he's got a childlike curiosity that makes him both endearing and terrifying. And the number 1 spot goes to Saitama. या आप जानते थे कि यह आने वाला है. यह बंदा बस इग्नोर करने के लिए बहुत overpowered है. He can defeat any enemy with a single punch. And that includes gods, aliens, and even reality warpers. Saitama's power is so absolute, it breaks the very fabric of anime logic. But even though he's the strongest being in existence, Saitama remains humble, kind of. So there you have it, bros. The top 10 most powerful manga and anime characters of all time. क्या आपके favorites ने cut banaya? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic anime content. Thanks for watching.